Hello guys, welcome back to Conchita's Corner. Today we are going to be making some Halloween Thanksgiving crack. So the ingredients you are going to be needing is some rice Chex, corn Chex, and honey nut Chex. And you also need some pretzel sticks. You will need some 3 Reese's Pieces little M&Ms. And you will need some white chocolate vanilla right there. So guys, let's get right into the thing so you guys can make. Guys, we got to the first step right now. And we're gonna do 3 cups of everything. And we're starting with the rice Chex. So we're gonna pour it in. And make sure you have a big bowl because it's gonna take every single thing. So you guys need to have a big bowl. So we're on the second step right now, and don't forget we put 3 cups because they said we need to do 3 cups for everything. So let's pour it in. Guys, we're on the third step right now. We just need 3 more steps, and we're on the honey nut Chex. And guys, just like I said, 3 cups of everything, and it's really good. I just tasted them. So let's go. We're on the 4th step right now. We need 2 more steps, guys. Altogether, there's actually 6 steps, and there's going to be stickers at the end to put on them. Okay, guys? And we're on the pretzel sticks. 3 cups for everything, like I always say. Guys, we're on the 5th step right now. That's so good. And there's 7 steps altogether since we need to put the stickers on. You need the 3 Reese's Pieces. You don't need to put this in the cups. You can have these little boxes. Or you can have it like this. Let me fix this, guys, really fast. Yeah, it's good. Guys, almost done. 1 more after this. These are good. Wait, let me taste them really fast. Just make sure they're good. Good. Guys, now time to mix it up. All done with the mixing. We're gonna do the chocolate right after this so we can mix it even more. So we gotta mix it up. Sixth step right now. Guys, we have the chocolate and we need to put it in the microwave, but first we gotta break it in pieces. And guys, you need adult supervision to put it in the microwave, and you need to put it in 120 seconds, guys. That's super important because if we put it like in 1 minute, something wrong might go wrong. So adult supervision with the microwave, and put the right amount. If you have this chocolate box and you're making it, look on the edge right here. Guys, you need this. It's not going to work if you don't put 120 seconds. Guys, we broke the chocolate. Guys, it's time to mix it up. We melted the chocolate already. And if your microwave can't really do 120 seconds, you'll do 60 seconds and another 60 seconds. Okay, guys? And now we gotta mix it up. That's what we did. We did 60 seconds and 60 seconds, and it equal to 120. So this is how I made it. Time to pour it in. Guys, my mom's gonna help me, and she's pouring the chocolate in there right now. So guys, and she's gonna fold it because it's really hard to fold it and it might break it off.
So you're gonna fold the chocolate like this. So you're folding. Fold the chocolate. So you want to go ahead and just use the wax paper and start breaking it apart. Okay. So you can just break it apart. with the same wax paper.
I'm gonna put them in these boxes right here because we got like a lot. And we got these stickers so we can put them apart. And that's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like when you put it in the box. And I just got a piece right now. Let's taste it. Got what? Guys, that is so good. Everything mixed together is so good. Want to hear fact, guys? Fact. You know why it's called crack at the end? Because it cracks in your mouth when you eat it. That's why. So, I'll see you a different day, guys. I'll see you the next time we'll make a Bungee Dice Corner. I don't know what it'll be. Try to guess, guys. It's going to be something really cool. So, bye.